Creating custom views for different support roles can drastically improve your team's workflow and help you focus on what matters most. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these views so you can optimize support tasks based on specific roles. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal how you can get a free trial of the software we're using today, exclusive to my channel viewers. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Settings or Configuration section of the software. Most tools have a section dedicated to user roles and permissions. In that section, you can typically assign different views to specific roles like support agents, managers, or administrators. Once you're in the configuration area, look for the option to create a new custom view. This is where you'll be able to define the data and information that you want to show for each role. For support agents, for example, you might want to focus on open tickets, customer priority levels, and SLAs, keeping it simple and relevant to their daily tasks. For higher level roles like supervisors, you might want to include a broader set of filters, showing metrics like ticket volume over time, team performance, or pending escalations. Custom views let you streamline what each person sees, making sure they're only viewing what's important for their specific responsibilities. Once you've selected the filters you want to use, you can choose how to sort the data. For support agents, sorting tickets by priority or due date will make it easier for them to focus on the most critical issues first. Managers, on the other hand, might benefit from sorting by team performance or ticket status to keep track of ongoing tasks across their team. After defining your view, don't forget to name it so that it's easy for your team to identify. You can always come back to adjust the filters or sorting later if you need to make changes. One of the most powerful features of custom views is the ability to save them for later use, ensuring that anyone with the appropriate role can easily access the same information you've set up. Once saved, this view will be available for the assigned role whenever they log in, so they won't have to set up the filters themselves each time. Now, as promised, if you want to follow along with this tutorial using the same software I've demonstrated, I've got a special offer for you. You can access a free trial of this software exclusive to viewers of my channel. Check the link in the description below to get started and take full advantage of this offer. The key takeaway from this video is that custom views are a game changer for support teams. They help reduce clutter, focus on key data, and improve efficiency for each role within your team. Remember, whether you're setting up a view for support agents or managers, the goal is to streamline their workflow by showing them exactly what they need to see. To recap, create custom views in your software settings, define filters that match each role's needs, and save those views for easy access. It's that simple. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.